Okay, so at this point in the journey of this tea, let's say that we're feeling like it's getting kind of to the end. And the kind of signpost of this will be, is it really just starting to taste like water? Is there energy? Is there any energy left in it? So when you start recognizing this, if you're in ceremony, a line that I find, because usually if you're in ceremony, a lot of amazing connection happens and you really don't want the thing to end, but the thing is, it does have to end. And so I basically have a line that I use, and I got this from my teacher, Poe. He basically says, okay, so this is gonna be the last steeping that we're gonna do. And that's it, as simple as that. And then it just, without creating any energy around it, it just lets everybody know, okay, this is the last steeping. And then we'll just let it brew as normal. Since it is the last steeping, it'll probably take longer because we just need it the time to help extract those oils from the leaf, as it's given us so much at this point. I mean, with these aged teas, this is a liter, I think. And with these aged teas, for one pot like this, you could easily go through all of this water with this tea, and it will continue to brew throughout that entire time. Okay, so now I'll pour this off. And again, you're holding the top with your finger to make sure that it doesn't fall off as you get into more inverted angles. And you'll see, there is that hole at the top. So you don't cover that hole, because in a well-made pot, if you cover that hole, no water will come out when you do this. Even if the pot's not well made, it will impede the flow of water regardless. So, also when I'm pouring two in a group, I'll be cognizant of not always starting with the same person when I'm serving. So if there were 3 people here, I would serve this person first, then that person, then that person, and then maybe a couple steepings later, I would serve this person first, and then that person, and this person, just to keep it all balanced.